Guys, it's your girl Ari the Goddess here, and today I'm bringing you a plucking tutorial video on how to make your frontal wigs look like a natural hairline and to make them look like scalps. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now I'm just going to take my hot comb and comb all the hairs back on my frontal hairline just to make sure I get all the flyaways, and we're going to start plucking into sections. I'm starting off with the right side and I'm parting off a section of the hair, making sure I comb the hair and get all the hairs that I want out of the way. And then I'm going to take my tweezers. Make sure you use slant tweezers. If you use tweezers with a point, that's how you're going to cause bald spots into your hairline, and it's also gonna like rip your frontal. So make sure you use slant tweezers. And when you pluck, you want to make sure that you're plucking, skip a line, pluck, skip a line, and you're always moving. Make sure you're always moving when you're plucking, because if you stay in the same spot, that is how you also create bald spots. So you can also pluck on your mannequin hair. It helps you to see what you're doing, but I prefer that you put a white cloth or a white towel underneath your frontal on your mannequin head. This helps you see like 10 times better. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but when I put the white cloth underneath my frontal, I can see the hairline clearly. I can see where I don't need to pluck no more. I can see where I'm over plucking. So I would advise you to put like a white towel or white cloth underneath there just so you can see what you're doing. So now I'm just sectioning off another piece of the frontal, and I'm hot combing the hairs down so that way they won't get in my way. And then once you do that, you're just gonna keep plucking. I pluck all the way to the back of my frontals, all the way to the back. Yes, all the way to the back, because I want it to look like scalp. I don't want to look like it's a wig. So once I'm done plucking the back of the hairline, I like to comb all of the hair back just to see the front, and it was still a little bit too thick for me, so I just went in with my tweezers and plucked some more just to make it look more natural and more realistic. And I'm just going and plucking, pluck, skip a line, pluck, and remember to keep moving so you don't make a bald spot. So here I'm showing you the side that I plucked, and this is the side that I didn't pluck. So as you can see, very natural, very realistic, and so we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So for the middle of the frontal, what I like to do is go ahead and pre-part a middle part. That way when you're plucking, you're not over plucking your middle part and it's showing any bald spots. So after I've hot combed it, I like to take a section of the middle part and just pluck. So remember, I parted the middle part because, you know, if you ever decide to wear your hair in the middle part, you don't want to just pluck and then you over pluck your middle part and you can't wear it because it's bald spots. So I put the middle part and then pluck on the sides of the middle part. And so I'm just going to do the same routine, pull the hair out and pluck behind it, and do that all the way back until I get a natural hairline. This is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed my plucking tutorial, and now you can make your frontals look just as realistic as mine now that you know the tricks and tips on how to make your frontal hairline look realistic. See you guys later in my next video. Bye.